Hang on, Asha. So I got some fan mail for Juno and Asha. So this is from Tara Martin in Virginia. So I am going to open them up. I'm going to open this one with Asha and this one with Juno. Juno, are you going to come here? Look, you got a toy. Okay, let's open this first. So I got a card and it said, you should start charging people for all the nice things you do. Oh wow, okay. Just wanted to start it off by saying that you are probably the most inspiring woman I have ever known. I have never seen someone love animals as much as you do. I truly inspire to be like you someday. You bring so much joy to the world and I figured I would show it in return. And it's not much, but I hope Juno, Asha, and Akiya enjoy it. Keep doing what you're doing. Hashtag the Queen of Cats. Love always, Tara. Oh, Tara, you're so sweet. So cute, guys. Adorable. Okay, let's see what it is. Akiya likes it. Akiya, do you like it? Okay. So we're gonna do Juno's first. You gonna come see? He's not gonna come over here yet, but let's see. So adorable. That is good. So it's like a dinosaur, like robot remote control thing. And then, so we're definitely gonna have to try this. Oh, there's a ball. See if we can get him to come over for the ball. I guess this one's for Asha and Akiya because it's pink. Okay. Cute. Okay, Asha would like this too. I'm gonna show it to her because she's probably gonna beat it up. So it will be super funny. Oh snap. He doesn't know what to do. So Juno got fan mail today and it's this little lizard. And he really does not know what to do with it. Oh, Juno! I think you broke it. Juno! So I'm gonna go and see what Asha's gift is, and I wanna see her play with the lizard because she's cray cray. So she's gonna be extra funny. So I hope you guys stay tuned, and I am gonna go and see what Asha thinks, all right? Okay, so we got this thing. Asha, what do you think of it? Oh my gosh, she is so funny. She's like, what the heck? Come on, Juno wasn't even that scared, Miss Bully. Look at the tail. Oh, where should we go? The carpet. Oh, she's such a bully. Look at it, look at it. When she gets close.
Yes.
Asha, what you think, Mama?
Get it, mama.
She's so funny. Let me turn it. Look! Oh, that's foot caught. Hang on, Asha. Hang on. Holy moly, you hit hard.
Get it, mama.
Get it, Mama. I wish I could get it to go straight. Tara bought you a gift.
No, I should shout out to Tara. She bought you a present.
Look. Look. She was... Asha.
I said, what the hell is this?
Asha, look.
Get it, mama. She said, why they moving?
Okay, that's another gift.
Yep,
Come here.
back to this.
Come here. Look. She took care of it. What is this? Oh, really? We said we wanted to get something like this for her. It's, I guess it's one of those playhouse things with all the balls in it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, she gonna love that.
Yeah, look, Pasha. Look. Look, Mama. She is just obsessed.
Adi Poo. Look what Tara got you.
Look. Look, Mama.
So shout out to Tara. She hooked you up.
Yeah, she did. Oh, look,
It's
Mama.
is it like a balloon?
Look.
Adi.
Look at all the balls, Pasha.
She's like, back to this.
I wonder if this thing, you have to blow it up by mouth. Oh, Lord.
I think we got a thing to
Huh?
blow it up.
Look at her, obsessing.
What's that, mama?
Guess we might as well put it down on the ground. Grab the remote. Oh, she's gonna love this. It's gonna take forever for me to blow it up. I might pass out. Okay. Think, Asha. Look at all your balls in there. Here, hold this. Asha. Asha. No, she's in. Say thank you, Tara. Okay. Good. You playing in your house? You playing in your house? Spoiled brat. Say thank you.
You like it, mama?
You like it?